kumana na mwele ndoku ya mbwele na kusiwisio ni siki vathukani elembetani ya ukamba ni vatoneka isi imwe ike kumbula ni yuwa ya kitai na kwa liwa indo kwa nanangwatanio ya musalaba mutune elembetani ya ukamba ni kana yuni maende na kwiyumbania yuluwondo mekunaita lewisio ni lita ni kusiwa mbua kauntini tetusia ukamba ilani kitui masako na makuweni onuwevo ofisaula ungamite maundu mambanga kana disaster management officer Stacy Peke ni wale sekana nimekuendea na kunengane emovu ndisio kwe enendi maundu nimekivathukanio takwisiania na mbanga na ingi kuate ya mautao kuma kwimivya yiki vathukanio uivo la wokunikili uwanzeve Daniel Mongela ni watumbanisia mauvo
kwina na uvisau nikana onakutwika ni manatwa isie masoma kuvundisya AMI na enendi yuluondu miwele kwithathilie isio imwe sinako sio mbundu vailite na memea mbingi la mananenganite niletona kwewa nembwa nini ninaekanesa undu vailite.
We were able to work with the agencies for them to disseminate information in those counties in regards to the weather and what people can expect during this OND period, and in which case you can see the evidence already that we've had a failed rain season, especially here in the lower eastern region that covers Kitui, Makueni, Kajiado, Machakos and Nairobi as well. So we supported communities with drought resistant early maturing crops, and these are the green grounds. These are specific variety that is advised by the Department of Agriculture in the given county to what is relevant for that county and can work from that county. So we distributed these seeds to the communities for them to be able to take advantage of the little rain that was there. So in some areas, yes, it has worked. They are soon to harvest some of that crop, but in some areas it has totally failed, again because the rain has totally failed. So you will find currently we have a complex situation whereby in one area it is raining and in another area it is not raining. And where it is also raining, you find that it is insufficient to support the production in that area. So we have had incidences or reports of crop failure.
Onuwevo ni wathingila kana juu ni vatoneka isio imwe ila tinakusia mbua ikakusiwa neyoa kwitha kwena leu munini valaju kuolesekanasi nimekwitha maitwa esia masoma kunenganilewa utethio isio ni isu ila siva elembetani ya ukamba na ila inakusiyo mbua nini.
So we are expecting coming into the January, February, March season, we are going to have a lot of need in food relief for populations across the country, including here in the lower eastern region. So in this region, we are giving focus to Kitui, the Ukambani counties and Kajiado as well. One, it's looking at the data that we have. Of course, one, we collect the KMD weather information to look at the level of risk that the counties are exposed to. Then this, of course, is overlaid together with the vulnerability and exposure and risk levels in that county to be able to know exactly where to focus. So you'll find, yes, a given county is at threat of drought, but not all these areas in that given county. So there are specific areas that will be focused. So, for example, in Kitui, the focus is on the Mwingi sub-counties, Mwingi North and Mwingi Central sub-county, and we also have Kitui East and Kitui Rural sub-counties that are the focus for Kitui. Coming to Kajiado, we are focusing on Kajiado West, Kajiado Central, Kajiado West, Kajiado Central, and Kajiado South. In Makueni, we are looking at the Kibwezi sub-counties, that is Kibwezi East and Kibwezi West, and parts of Sultan Hamoud. Yes. Then Machakos in itself, we are looking at areas of Yatta and Masinga.
Kwa vinanila, isima siende na ukusia mbua ko aimiangi maende na orana wasio etina wale uo kumea miundani nungo uko sambua. Daniel Mongela, Mutongwe TV, kuma wawisini wa Red Cross, County ni ya Masako.